The health benefits of mushrooms. As an avid health enthusiast, I have always been amazed by the remarkable benefits that mushrooms offer to our overall wellness. Mushrooms are not only a delicious addition to a meal, but they also provide a wide array of essential nutrients and health-promoting properties. One of the most impressive aspects of mushrooms is their ability to support our immune system. These incredible fungi are rich in beta-glucans, a type of fiber that has been shown to enhance immune function and reduce inflammation. Additionally, mushrooms are a great source of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This makes them a valuable ally in the fight against chronic diseases and aging. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Furthermore, mushrooms are a fantastic source of essential vitamins and minerals. They are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. In addition, mushrooms contain B vitamins such as riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, all of which are important for energy production and the maintenance of healthy skin, hair, and eyes. The mineral content of mushrooms, including selenium, potassium, and copper, further enhances their nutritional profile, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Moreover, mushrooms have been found to possess anti-cancer properties. Certain varieties, such as reishi and shiitake mushrooms, contain compounds that have been studied for their potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and support the body's natural defense mechanisms. These findings highlight the extraordinary potential of mushrooms as a natural and powerful tool for promoting health and wellness.
This time, there's no going home.
Exploring different types of mushrooms. The world of mushrooms is incredibly diverse, with a wide range of varieties that offer unique flavors, textures, and nutritional profiles. From the delicate and earthy morel mushrooms to the robust and meaty portobello mushrooms, there is a mushroom to suit every palate and culinary application. Each type of mushroom brings its own distinct qualities to the table, making them a versatile and exciting ingredient to explore in the kitchen. One of the most beloved varieties of mushrooms is the chanterelle, known for its delicate and slightly fruity flavor. These golden-hued mushrooms are prized by chefs and home cooks alike for their culinary versatility and delightful taste. Similarly, cremini mushrooms, often referred to as baby bella mushrooms, offer a rich and earthy flavor that can enhance a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to pasta sauces and stir-fries. For a truly indulgent treat, stuffed mushrooms are a fantastic way to showcase the unique flavors and textures of different mushroom varieties. Whether filled with a savory blend of herbs, cheese, and breadcrumbs, or a medley of vegetables and grains, stuffed mushrooms are a delightful appetizer or main course that never fails to impress. Cooking with mushrooms, delicious recipes and ideas. When it comes to cooking with mushrooms, the possibilities are endless. Their ability to absorb and enhance the flavors of other ingredients makes them a versatile and exciting addition to a wide range of dishes. From simple sautéed mushrooms to complex and flavorful mushroom risottos, there are countless ways to incorporate the rich and savory taste of mushrooms into your cooking repertoire. One of my favorite ways to enjoy mushrooms is by preparing a hearty mushroom stroganoff. This comforting dish combines tender mushrooms with a creamy and flavorful sauce, served over a bed of buttery egg noodles or fluffy mashed potatoes. Another delightful option is a mushroom and spinach frittata, a versatile and satisfying dish that can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
This time there's no going home. This time there's no going.
For those who appreciate the bold and robust flavors of mushrooms, a portobello mushroom burger is a fantastic way to indulge in a meaty and satisfying meal without the meat. Grilled to perfection and topped with all the fixings, a portobello mushroom burger is a delicious and nutritious alternative to traditional beef burgers.
Don't look at me. I don't wanna be.
Additionally, incorporating mushrooms into stir-fries, soups, and salads can elevate the overall taste and nutritional value of these dishes, making them a valuable addition to a healthy and balanced diet.
Can't take the leaps of changing times. One
The rise of microdosing with mushrooms.
da, 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 da.
In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the practice of microdosing with mushrooms for its potential cognitive and emotional benefits. Microdosing involves consuming small, subperceptual doses of psychedelic substances such as psilocybin, the active compound in certain mushrooms, with the goal of experiencing subtle improvements in mood, focus, and creativity.
All I see is blue and deep.
This practice has gained popularity among individuals seeking alternative approaches to mental health and well-being.
Circles run around.
Understanding the benefits of microdosing mushrooms.
Can't walk this mile this time.
The reported benefits of microdosing mushrooms are varied and intriguing. Many proponents of microdosing claim that it can lead to enhanced creativity, improved mood, and a greater sense of emotional balance. Some individuals also report experiencing heightened energy levels, increased empathy, and a greater capacity for introspection and self-awareness.
Things will never be the same. This time there's no going home.
While these anecdotal accounts are compelling, it is important to note that the scientific evidence supporting the benefits of microdosing with mushrooms is still limited and ongoing. Despite the lack of conclusive scientific research, the allure of microdosing with mushrooms has captured the interest of a wide range of individuals, including artists, entrepreneurs, and professionals seeking to optimize their cognitive and emotional well-being. As the field of psychedelic research continues to expand, there is a growing curiosity about the potential therapeutic applications of microdosing with mushrooms and its role in supporting mental health and creativity.
Things will never be the same. This time there's no going home. This time
Exploring the world of psychedelic mushrooms.
going home.
In addition to microdosing, there is a long-standing tradition of using psychedelic mushrooms for their profound and transformative effects on consciousness and spirituality. Varieties such as the potent and revered penis envy mushrooms have been used in traditional and ceremonial contexts for millennia, often regarded as sacred and revered allies for personal growth and spiritual exploration.
tired feet.
The unique compounds found in these mushrooms, particularly psilocybin, have been studied for their potential to induce altered states of consciousness and facilitate profound insights and experiences.
Things will never be the same.
The use of psychedelic mushrooms has garnered significant attention in the field of mental health and wellness, with ongoing research exploring their potential therapeutic applications for conditions such as depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Studies have shown promising results in using psychedelic-assisted therapy to support individuals in processing trauma, overcoming addiction, and cultivating a greater sense of well-being and interconnectedness.
And the mountains are too high. Circles run around.
As our understanding of the therapeutic potential of psychedelic mushrooms continues to evolve, there is a growing recognition of their role in promoting mental and emotional wellness.
Things will never be the same.
Incorporating mushrooms into a healthy diet.
Not the same.
Embracing the power of mushrooms for wellness.
Things will never be the same. This time.
Incorporating mushrooms into a healthy and balanced diet is a simple and enjoyable way to enhance your overall well-being. Whether enjoyed as a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes or explored for their potential cognitive and emotional benefits, mushrooms offer a wealth of opportunities for supporting optimal health and wellness. From their immune-boosting properties and rich nutrient content to their culinary versatility and potential therapeutic applications, mushrooms truly deserve their status as nature's nutrient powerhouse.
Things will never be the same.
As we continue to explore the incredible benefits of mushrooms, it is essential to approach their consumption with mindfulness and respect for their potential effects. Whether savoring the earthy flavors of sautéed mushrooms in a hearty pasta dish, embracing the subtle benefits of microdosing with mushrooms, or engaging in the profound experiences offered by psychedelic mushrooms, it is important to prioritize safety, informed decision-making, and a deep appreciation for the remarkable gifts that mushrooms provide.
Don't look,
The culinary versatility of mushrooms.
I don't wanna be hanging.
The culinary versatility of mushrooms is truly remarkable, offering endless possibilities for creating delicious and satisfying meals. Whether used as a savory base for soups and stews, a hearty filling for pastas and risottos, or a flavorful topping for pizzas and sandwiches, mushrooms add depth and richness to a wide range of culinary creations. Their ability to absorb and enhance the flavors of other ingredients makes them a valuable asset in the kitchen, allowing for endless experimentation and creativity in meal preparation.
Things will never be the same. This time there's no going.
For those seeking to explore the full potential of mushrooms in their cooking, experimenting with different varieties such as morel, chanterelle, and porcini mushrooms can open up a world of new flavors and textures. These specialty mushrooms offer unique and delightful taste experiences, whether enjoyed simply sautéed with garlic and herbs or incorporated into complex and elegant dishes. Additionally, the use of dried mushrooms can provide a convenient and long-lasting source of flavor and umami, perfect for adding depth to sauces, stocks, and braises.
Things will never be the same. Not the same.
Where to find and buy specialty mushrooms?
Things will never be the same. This time.
When it comes to sourcing specialty mushrooms, there are a variety of options available to consumers. Local farmers markets and specialty grocery stores often carry a wide selection of fresh and dried mushrooms, providing an opportunity to discover unique and seasonal varieties. Additionally, online retailers offer a convenient way to access a diverse range of specialty mushrooms, including morel, chanterelle, and porcini mushrooms, allowing for exploration and experimentation in the kitchen.
Things will never be the same.
For those interested in cultivating their own mushrooms, home-growing kits and supplies are readily available, providing an engaging and rewarding way to connect with the process of mushroom cultivation. Growing your own mushrooms can be a fulfilling and educational experience, offering the opportunity to appreciate the remarkable life cycle of these fascinating fungi and enjoy the fresh, flavorful harvests they provide. Conclusion: embracing the power of mushrooms for wellness. The incredible benefits of mushrooms extend far beyond their culinary appeal, encompassing a rich tapestry of nutritional, therapeutic, and sensory experiences. As we embrace the power of mushrooms for wellness, we open ourselves to a world of nourishment, vitality, and potential for personal growth. Whether savoring the simple pleasure of a perfectly sautéed mushroom, exploring the subtle benefits of microdosing, or delving into the profound realms of psychedelic experiences, mushrooms offer us a remarkable journey of discovery and well-being.
Things will never be the same. Not the same.
Incorporating mushrooms into our lives, whether through mindful consumption, culinary exploration, or therapeutic inquiry, invites us to deepen our connection with nature, nourish our bodies and minds, and expand our understanding of the incredible gifts that the natural world provides. By celebrating the diverse and transformative potential of mushrooms, we honor their role as nature's nutrient powerhouse and embrace the extraordinary possibilities they offer for optimal health and wellness.
Circles run around my head. Can't walk this mile this time.
Embracing the power of mushrooms for wellness.
Things will never be the same.
As we conclude our exploration of the myriad benefits and possibilities that mushrooms offer, I invite you to embrace the power of mushrooms for wellness in your own life. Whether through savoring the rich flavors of different mushroom varieties, exploring the potential cognitive and emotional benefits of microdosing, or engaging in the profound experiences offered by psychedelic mushrooms, there are countless opportunities to enrich your well-being and deepen your connection with nature. I encourage you to approach the world of mushrooms with an open mind and a spirit of curiosity, recognizing the remarkable diversity and potential that these extraordinary fungi hold. By incorporating mushrooms into your diet, lifestyle, and explorations, you have the opportunity to tap into a wellspring of nourishment, vitality, and transformative experiences. Embracing the power of mushrooms for wellness is an invitation to celebrate the wonders of nature and cultivate a deeper sense of connection, health, and harmony in your life.
This time there's no going home.
So why not take the first step in embracing the power of mushrooms for wellness today? Whether it's preparing a delicious mushroom-based meal, exploring the potential benefits of microdosing, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the beauty and complexity of these remarkable fungi, there are countless ways to invite the power of mushrooms into your life. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the extraordinary nourishment, vitality, and well-being that mushrooms have to offer.
My tired feet can't take the leaps of changing
We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.